Now that you have a better idea, I hope, of how to use some common Windows applications, it's time to see how to juggle multiple applications at once to be more effective. You may recall from the first lesson that I have arranged my desktop so that the most commonly used applications are lined up along the top of the screen. And I mentioned I launch all of them one at a time when I bring up Windows. Let me demonstrate. Here I am, just freshly booted up with my current lineup. I start by launching Firefox, my default browser. Notice the page that displays to begin with. We discussed this in the second course. I'll minimize that so that keeps it running, and I'll start FileZilla, the software I use to upload web pages to my website. It's free, and we discuss how to install and use it in the second course. I'll minimize that. Then launch Adobe Acrobat Reader, another free application from Adobe which lets you read PDF files. Next, I kick off Winamp, a music playing application. I like to listen to music while I work, except when I'm making recordings, of course. You can download it from www.winamp.com. It's free and runs fine under Windows 10 with no compatibility issues. Finally, I kick off my email client, Mozilla Thunderbird. I get some dissing about using this app, but it works for me, and I've got 10 years of emails stored there, so it will be hard to move to another app. So now I'm up and running. Now if I need to launch additional applications, I can do that from the desktop or the taskbar. If I have one instance of an application already running, let's say File Explorer, I can launch another instance by right-clicking the icon on the taskbar. So now I could have one as a target and one as a source if I want to copy or move a file from one directory to another. As I go about my work, I often switch between applications, and there are 3 ways to do this. Click on the icon on the taskbar of the application you want to go to. If there are multiple instances of an application running, you'll see small images of each window for you to choose from. Or you can hold down the Alt and Tab keys and you'll see a list of all the running applications, and your Tab key steps you through all of them. Just stop where you want to get to that particular application. Finally, you can press the Task View icon, which shows you the same thing, all of your running apps, and again, you click on the one that you want to get to. The key, I think, is to leave your main applications running throughout your workday. This way, you don't have the overhead of launching these apps as you need them. They are always available. Other apps I may run and close down, but these core apps I leave running all the time. I hope all these lessons have been useful for you in your work with Windows. Over time, you will learn what apps you always want to have available, and you can arrange your desktop to reflect that. This is the last lesson in this course. The next course is about coding websites using Notepad. None of these GUI products like WordPress or Joomla and Roomba and all those kind of things. Just clean, simple text coding. If you haven't signed up, you can add this course from your home page. If you have signed up, it's already available to you. You may choose not to go ahead, and that's fine, certainly. Thank you for taking this course, and I wish you well in wherever your endeavors take you.